Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake the coffee and walnut cake. Let's get started. Any kind of instant coffee. Add some hot milk. Mix well, then let it cool down. Prepare some self-rising flour. Add a little salt, some baking powder. Sift them together into a bowl, then set aside. Add the same amount of softened unsalted butter and sugar into a step mixer. Keep the machine at medium speed. Turn off the machine when the color is pale, then transfer it into the mixing bowl. My recipe has 4 eggs. Add 1 egg at a time with 1 tablespoon of sifted flour. After mixing with the second egg, I will add a little vanilla extract. Add the third egg with half of the instant coffee. Add the remaining instant coffee with the last egg. Divide the chopped walnut into 2 portions. Add a large one to the cake batter. Mix them well. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Transfer the cake batter to the baking tin and smooth the surface. Sprinkle the remaining walnut on top of the cake batter. Bake it for 45 minutes. Time is up. Let's check the cake. The stick comes out clean, meaning it's ready. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this coffee and walnut cake cost me $10. I'm going to enjoy this cake with a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching my video.